Well, this month marks the start of a huge overhaul of the way the foster care system is run in Dallas and 7 surrounding counties. Today, we spoke with the woman who is leading the new private company that's going to be in charge of increasing the number of foster homes in our region and eventually then hopefully shortening the time children spend in the foster care system. Fox 4's Lori Brown joins us now with the story. Lori.
Heather, after years of children being placed in unlicensed foster homes and even hotels, Texas lawmakers are hopeful that privatizing the state's foster care system will prevent the horror stories they've been hearing about for years.
I was placed in foster care until June 6th of 2020. It was the most traumatic experience I have ever had.
Liberty Hamilton told her story of having a foster mom who did drugs to a special Senate committee in May 2022.
She would always leave pipes laying around that she used to smoke.
Now, Texas Family Initiative, LLC, has been awarded a contract to oversee foster care in Dallas and its 7 surrounding counties. The program is called Empower. Linda Garcia is the senior vice president.
Our hope is this. One is that no child should have to sleep in an office.
The nonprofit Texas Family Initiative has already been running the foster care system for Region 2, which includes Abilene and Wichita Falls.
We have had great success with To Engage in that for the past 2 years, since April of 2021, knock on wood, we have not had any children to have to be in offices whatsoever.
Empower's first goal is to recruit and train foster parents to create more licensed foster homes in the Dallas region so children can stay within 50 miles of their original homes.
We will bring the training, we will bring the provider to give them the support.
Their first office in the area is in Irving, with more office locations opening soon. Empower will begin to place children in foster homes starting September 1st. Then, a year from now, it is set to take over case management.
I hope that every single CPS worker currently that are in the 3E area is willing to just transfer over to us.
Then in 2026, phase 3 will begin. That will be an accountability system which will monitor how long children are in foster care.
It is our number one goal is that children will be able to be safe, 100% safe while they're in our care, that they will be able to be placed together with their siblings.
Kathleen Lavelle is the CEO of Dallas CASA, court-appointed special advocates. While she is hopeful the new plan will be successful, she says there are risks.
In San Antonio, we had a contractor walked away from the contract and, a large area reverted to the state, to Child Protective Services.
Lavelle says while children caseworkers may change, the CASA volunteers working with them will not.
Be bringing all of our resources and energy to doing everything we can to help ensure the success of the transition.
Lavelle says one of the biggest challenges for Empower will be creating more foster homes for children with high therapeutic needs, ages 11 to 17. And as for recruiting caseworkers next year, Empower will not be able to offer the state's pension system that caseworkers receive now, but it will offer a 401k.